The Master-Bilt 02-150117 top cover assembly. Specifically the Small F0100Q110 model, is a guardian of refrigeration technology, a shield designed to protect the delicate machinery within. This Master-Bilt top cover, 24x18x7, is not merely a piece of metal and plastic. It is a silent sentinel, standing vigil over the compressor and condenser coils. Its robust construction, with dimensions of 24 inches in height, 18 inches in width, and 7 inches in length, provides a formidable barrier against dust, debris, and accidental impacts, thereby ensuring the longevity and efficiency of the cooling system. Furthermore, its smooth surface and streamlined design not only offer a clean aesthetic but also facilitate easy cleaning and maintenance. For instance, a quick wipe down can remove any accumulated grime, consequently maintaining a hygienic environment. Thus, this top cover acts as both a protector and a beautifier, serving a dual purpose in the intricate dance of refrigeration. Moreover, the Master-Bilt top cover, 24x18x7, is like the carapace of a tortoise, providing a protective shell for the vulnerable components underneath. It is an essential component, for without it, the heart of the refrigeration unit would be exposed to the harsh realities of the environment. Therefore, it is a testament to thoughtful engineering, created with precision and care to fit the designated unit perfectly. Likewise, its installation is a straightforward process, ensuring a secure and snug fit that leaves no room for compromise. In addition, the cover's design incorporates ventilation points, allowing for proper airflow while simultaneously preventing the ingress of foreign particles. Indeed, this balance between protection and ventilation is critical for the optimal performance of the refrigeration system, since overheating can lead to a cascade of mechanical failures. In conclusion, this small, yet significant, component plays a pivotal role in the overall health of the entire system. Ultimately, the Master-Bilt top cover, 24x18x7, represents a commitment to durability and operational excellence. Acting as the finishing touch that completes the refrigeration unit, it is the final piece of a complex puzzle, a capstone that seals the integrity of the machine. Subsequently, it gives peace of mind to the user, who knows that the internal workings are safe from harm. Beyond its practical function, the cover's presence signals a high standard of quality, signifying a product built to last. It is, in effect, the silent hero of the unit, tirelessly performing its duty without fanfare. Therefore, in the grand scheme of things, this humble top cover is much more than a simple part. It is a promise of reliability and a guardian of performance, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken. Pros: top cover assembly, small size, F0100Q110 model, 24 inches high, 18 inches wide, 7 inches long. Specific dimensions, component for a system, assembly for Master-Bilt. Cons: size might be too small, specific model limitation, potential installation issues. Features: brand, Master-Bilt, part number 02150117, size, small, height, 24 inches, width, 18 inches, length, 7 inches, dimensions, 24x18 by 7 inches, compatible with F0100Q110 product type. Refrigeration part: the Master-Bilt 02-150117 top cover assembly is a small refrigeration part, designed for the F0100Q110 unit. This part, with the brand name Master-Bilt, has a part number of 02-150117. Its compact dimensions are 24 inches in height, 18 inches in width, and 7 inches in length. This top cover assembly is a specific component for maintaining or repairing compatible Refrigeration systems. The Master-Bilt 02-150117 top cover assembly is a small component specifically designed for the F0100Q110 model. This assembly has precise dimensions, measuring 24 inches in height, 18 inches in width, and 7 inches in length. Due to its specific size and model compatibility, it may not be suitable for all systems and could present potential installation challenges if not used with the correct unit.